Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're looking to litter train your bunnies, then you've got to check out this litter box and feeding area combo that I got from SANXHAMSTER. So what I did for my two adolescent rabbits is I just put the litter box in the area where they had been using the bathroom, and it was a quick transition over into the litter box. The bars that cover the hay portion of the feeder are so excellent because we know that rabbits love to pull hay out, and these keep it in place so it doesn't get all over. I didn't want my rabbits chewing on like a piddle pad, so I just used an old towel and then I replaced it daily and threw it in my washing machine, and that worked really well. Because of the setup in my hutch, I decided not to attach the bowls, but I just love how deep these are and that they're inset in the wood. We know rabbits love to take things and throw them around the cage, and having them inset keeps them in place. If you have rabbits, I think you should check this out, and that's my point of view.